Police bust the operator of a mountain sweepstakes business. The North Carolina Supreme Court upheld a ban on video sweepstakes machines last month.
But some operators say there are exceptions. News 13's Rex Hodge joins us from the Western News Center. And Rex, why does this operator say that she was operating legally?
Tami Nicholson says the law makes a distinction between games of luck and games of skill. She says she was only running skill games at her Waynesville location, but police say the law is clear and gave her a citation.
It was Saturday night about 7:30.
Tami Nicholson runs the Winner's Circle in Waynesville, fully aware the North Carolina Supreme Court has upheld a ban on internet sweepstakes machines, a row of them now turned off. Surprised that officers came by.
The lieutenant said, "Well, you're under arrest." I said, "For what?" He said, any video game that is not played on tribal land is against the law." Nicholson says she and her attorney believe the state's ban on sweepstakes machines applies only to the games of chance, not skill. What H&I says is that any video game that is dependent on skill or dexterity of the player is an exception to the law. So she was still running those machines when the police came calling. Nicholson recorded part of the conversation on her cell phone. It doesn't matter that they're legal under the law.
They're not legal under the law.
They are.
Your interpretation of the law is different than my interpretation of the law.
She took pictures of police removing one of the machines she says is based on skill. We followed the line of the law, and now they have reinterpreted their version of the law.
The Waynesville Police Department is acting upon the court's interpretation of the law.
Lieutenant Chris Chandler is the officer in the video.
Her primary disagreement with us is based on her private attorney's interpretation of the law. We do not have that luxury.
Nicholson received a misdemeanor citation for operating an electronic machine to conduct a sweepstakes through the use of an entertaining display, including the entry process. She'll continue her legal fight and laments the loss of business. It's a large revenue loss for the state. It's job loss. And Nicholson's case is scheduled for court on March 13th. Reporting live tonight from the Western News Center, Rex Hodge, News 13.